Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsey. I collect cute things, I make cute things, I sell cute things. I just really like cute things. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these bracelets. So I made a set of 3 of these and one of them has got my dog's name on. I absolutely love it. The video itself is quite explanatory. Obviously making these, you put in beads on, a bait string. But in this video, I have listed all of the places where I bought the kind of materials from. I just went over to Google and found a place and I'm happy to recommend them because they've turned out so nice and I'm really happy with them. I did just originally film this footage just for a studio vlog, but I figured I'd make it a video by itself because a lot of people have been asking me questions about these bracelets since I showed them on Instagram and asking where I got supplies and that sort of stuff for. So I thought I'd just put it in today's video, maybe to spark a little bit of inspiration if you're looking to make some bracelets or thinking about it or not even thinking about it, and maybe this has just inspired you to make some. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'm just going to get straight on into how I made this set of 3 little bracelets. So for the elastic, I bought this from the same place as the beads. I used a 1mm elastic. I'll leave the exact link down below. I also bought these rose quartz beads, which are like just gorgeous little stones, and I absolutely love them. They were really inexpensive and they came just like on like a meter kind of length. I think it was about a meter, might have been just short. But anyway, what I went ahead and did was tied a knot into the elastic and then just started threading those rose quartz beads on. I basically went from like the midpoint of my wrist around to like just shy of like the midpoint at the front. Once I got that, I then used these little mini kind of gold heart beads. These are so nice, so pretty, and I used that kind of as a spacer. What I then went ahead and did was use these pastel alphabet beads, and I pulled them out of my desk and just picked out my letters, making sure I got the right colors that I wanted. So like I said, I did put my dog's name on this and he's called Roman. He's the cutest dog ever, and I just spent a good like 5-10 minutes just picking out the colors that I wanted in the kind of patterns I wanted. You might have been able to hear him bark then. I thought it was so funny that I started barking as I was like picking out his name of the beads. But anyway, I posted these onto the elastic, made sure they were all facing the right way, spelled out right before carrying on. I then added another spacer just to make it kind of even, and then just filled the rest up with those rose quartz beads. At the end, I just tied in 2 knots, making a double knot, just really pulling that elastic tight. In order to measure my bracelets, make sure they fit, I just wrapped it around my wrist like see here of my other bracelet. I realized this was too short, so I added in a couple of extra beads and then just tied that in a double knot as well. I did a few different designs which you'll be able to see, but yeah, overall very happy with how these turned out. So yeah, when tying these like off and finishing them, I just put basically a double knot in the elastic. I do have these like little bits like sticking out like the ends of the elastic where I've just cut it off, and to be honest, if you're using a thinner elastic you could probably post that through like the beads on the ends, but because I use quite a chunky one I can't do that, but that's fine. They're not causing any trouble and I've been wearing these for a good couple of weeks now and I'm very happy with them. I think they're adorable. So yeah, like I said, I will leave all of the information of where I bought these and the links and stuff like that down in the description down below, just in case you want to check that out and you want to order yourself some beads, because to be honest, the like seller of these was amazing. Like I got them really fast and everything. So yeah, thanks so much for joining me today and I'll see you very soon for another video.